Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zul Ashraf bin Abdul Azim. I am 11 years old, studying at SK Lanchang, Termelo, Pahang. My hobbies are drawing and reading. My ambition is to be an animator designer. I want to tell about my favorite storybook. It is My Smart Vocabulary for Young Learners. This book bought by my father last week. This book have 96 pages and 6 contents, which are my family, my pet, visiting the zoo, fruits and vegetables, helpful people, and table manners. First content. My family tells about Ray's family. Her mother is a very caring woman. Her father is a hard-working man. She has a brother that loves her very much. Second content. My pet tells about Henry's pet cat named Jasper. Jasper is his best companion. Jasper is a very clever cat. It's also told that Jasper doesn't like dogs at all. He also meows angrily at neighbor's cat. Henry always giving Jasper a bath. Henry loves Jasper very much as part of his family. Third content. Visiting the zoo tells about Tom and Jane are at the zoo. They are excited because they are going to see many wild animals such as giraffe, hippopotamus, lion, bear, zebra, elephant, deer, crocodile, peacock, and ostrich. Fourth content. Fruits and vegetables tells about apples, mango, bananas, papaya, pineapple, orange, carrots, green peas, potatoes, and pumpkin. Fruits and vegetables contains vitamins. It also tells each have different taste, colors, and shape. Fifth content. Helpful people tells about a doctor who treat sick people. Firefighter puts out fires and rescues people. Teacher who teach students in school. Postman who delivers parcel and letters. Policeman catch thieves and burglars. Sixth content. Table manners tells about wash our hand before and after meals. Start eating when all the family members have arrived at the dinner table. Never complain about food. Must help our parents to clean up the table. I love this book because the contents teach me to love among the humanity and other creatures. I have learned about fruit and vegetables. Also, learn some good manners and of course, improve my vocabulary. Thank you so much for me. My name is Muhammad Zul Ashraf.